Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll going to teach you how we can load the cost in our program and store in the cost account. For that one, I will input my program first. So I'm going to input the program which I have downloaded it. So it's this program. So I'll open it. If you click next, I'll input to enterprises. Next, and I'll click finish. It's the small program. So I'll teach you how we can do it. So I'll close it, and this is the program, and I'll open the project. Okay, for the cost loaded one, you need to have a layout. So I have already created a on value analysis layout, so I'll just show you how I did it. So if you go to the column, and this is the table column we need. So activity name, original duration, start, finish, active percentage complete, duration percentage complete, plant value cost, on value cost, actual cost, schedule performance index, cost performance index, estimate at completion cost, budget at completion, cost variance, and schedule variance. So we get everything from the on value tab. So it will be here. So I have already taken it from the left hand side of available options. So you can do similarly like that one. For the activity percentage complete, you can go to the mm, percentage complete, and you can get it. Okay, so I'll just, this is so simple, so you can do it. So I'll just click on OK. Okay, after that we have got it. We need to store our cost into a account. So for that one, we need to create a financial reporting period. So for this program, it's up to the, we have the data date of 16 December 24 to 22 Jan 2025. So it's a very small program, almost for 1 month. So I'll create a cycle of 15 week uh 15 days. So for that one, you need to go to the financial period calendar, and it is already used this calendar. So I will define a calendar for my one. So I will use calendar third. Just I will tick it, and I'll modify the calendar. So, so my batch starts on, it starts in 16, mm, it is on 16 December 2024 to, and my batch in on 26, it is 26th January or something. So I'll create on 27 Jan 2025. So this is my start of project and end of the project date. I have created a slightly 1 day ahead. So the my financial period will be every, so I want 2 weeks, 2 weeks, and the period ends on Sunday. So it will start on Monday and ends on Sunday. So if I create on the batch, it will ask, you want to create the batch financial period? Yes. Then it will create my, I will get the 3 batch. And if you see on the left hand side, after my in period ends, then it will start 27 January to 9 February. Do you want to still create if you create a batch, it will start from 27 Jan 25 to 9 Feb 25. So by this way you can create a financial period for your program. So after that, I have already created it, then I will close it, and I have already make it a default. So I will close it. So after that, we need to store it. So for that one, we will store the period performance. And one thing, we need to change the calendar, because we have changed the calendar to calendar 3. So for that one, we need to close this program. So if you close Ctrl W, it will close the program. And if you go to the project tab, so you can see the financial period calendar 3, calendar only, but we have our calendar third. So we'll just create here, and it is assigned to calendar 3. Now you can open the project. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes. Then after, we need to define the our calendar performance one. So I'll just show you. Loading still. Now it's open. So we want to store our period performance. So store period performance, it is showing the different one. So we will use this one. We are going to store in this one. So I don't want to select this one. I don't want to select this one. I just want to don't select in this one. I just want to store in small scope. Oh, sorry, it has opened my all programs. So I am seeing the all the four programs. So sorry for this one. I'll just close it. Control W, and I want to close all the program. No current program. So I'll just click on small and open the project. So I can see from the top it is only open the only one program. So I'll go to tool and store period store store period performance, and then I will select my calendar. So I will store on 16 December 24 to 9 December 29 December 24. I'll select it, and don't do store now because we have not updated our program. So don't do that mistake. You can do this step at the last also. So it's depend upon you. So I'll just close it. So one thing you need to be very careful with the financial period calendar. So I'll close it. I have not done it. So now I will update my program. If you see here, uh, our will updating up to 29 December 24. So I will just create start, and if you and we need to update the resource. So we have already assigned the resource value for that one also. So our budgeted unit is 20 unit. So for this one it will work like 10 days. Okay, it will unit 10 days, and the next will do okay 25 days. Okay, by this way you can see it. You can see estimate. You can cost performance. It has not calculated. We have not do actualize. So sorry, we have not schedule it. If we do slightly, if we do here F9 and schedule it, so I think it's not done, or do here and schedule it. It has not come. It will come later on. So it has not come anything right now. So we can see the cost parents budget at completion is 4,300. Estimate at complete now it is estimated that it required 5843, means the variance is 1500 for 1543.8. Okay, because we have not done anything here. So cost performance schedule performance has not come. We have not changed the physical percentage, so we'll do it later on. So if you see here 9 Jan to 15. So we'll go to actualize this one, and expected finish we'll keep it to hold the old out date. So you see here, and if we go to resource, we'll assign resource 15, and it will see 20 anything. So by this way we'll update it. So if we start and finish, actualize both, and if you see it has not given the actual unit, so we need to put manually here. So 16, how much unit? I think 30 is spended, and here is 14. You can see here this one. If you go 25 December to 27 December, this also it is done. So we'll write 12. We believe that is 12, and if you click on status, so it's also completed December. With this 30 December is we have not started. If you see 29 24 December, this is done. it. So I'm just updating the program. So it's resources is 4 is 5. Okay. Okay, by this way we have updated the program, and you can see the cost variance. Sorry, you cannot see the serial variance. Cost variance we can see it, and anything other you can see it. We have not this one, sorry, 26 December we have not done it, so I'll actualize this one. You need to update your program before you change the date. So if we the percentage after it is showing 100, but is it done 100, then you can see the cost performance variance. So if you see this one, this is not done 19 December, this is 19 December to 24 December, this is completed. So you can see 12 26 December. So it will actualize this one also. 20 December, this is 16, this is 10, this is 35. You can see this is actualized. This is we have not done it, so I'll just this one resource will create 14 25 December. 16 is not done. We have updated our our program, so I'll just click schedule, and if we click here, now it's updated. We can see the cost performance index and estimate at completion. Also we can see budgeted at completion, and we can see cost variance. So if we actual duration is done, so if we go to the column and we'll add percentage complete, then I will add the percentage complete. So I will just add physical percentage complete here, serial percentage complete. Percentage complete, if you see here, it is not taking this one, and we can write how much physical percentage is completed. If you see this one, we can write 80% completed, and if you see this one, we can write this is 75% completed. And if it is not done, 9 Gen 2, oh sorry, this we have actualized 9 Gen 2 15, sorry, this is not done. So I'll just do this. Activity has not been started. It's not started, so I'll remove this one, and it's not started. So sources, will write this one 0, it's not started, that means I'll write 0. So if we go to status and we'll just take it, we want to change it, because first we need to remove the resource budgeted unit, then we can do it. And if we see the 16 we have not started, 27 December physical complete 100%. It will take 1 minute 20 years. If we do now, if we do press scheduling, then it will take taken. So we'll change the data date now, do refresh, and we'll keep the we have done 30, so we'll 30 will create it, and we'll do refresh it, and we can see the schedule percentage complete and actual percentage complete. We can see now, and it will give the schedule performance index, everything. You can see it from here, and yeah, scheduled cost performance variance, it has already given here. So if after that we're going to store this in the cost, uh, in the store period performance. So we'll just click here, and we'll click here, then we'll click this one, and we'll store now. Store period, yes, now data is stored here. So if you want to do next one, then we need to click here, next cycle, then we need to go here and we'll assign it. We will not click anything to store it now, so it's done, we have stored it. So if you want to see the cost account in column, you cannot see anything here right now. So for that one, if you go to the edit and user preference, then in the application you can see financial period data. So if you just want to select here, it's not selected, so you want to start date is 16 December. Same thing, when you can write 16 December to, we have write 29 Jan 29 Jan 2025. Select, if you select this one, then it is selected, then we can close it. And if you go to here column, then you will find the financial period value. So there is lots of here, so which we want to take, you can keep it uh, keep it there. So if you want to on value, we can create of on value. If you want to create 12 16, then you can write actual cost on value, anything you can keep here. So by this way you can find the financial period value. Now we can, now I'll tell you how we can do the cost account. So if you go to the enterprise, you can store the tools. If you go down here, you can get the, in enterprise it is in cost account. So you can create here, if you want to create, yeah, here. So if you want to create here, a1 is, so we can write here, it is direct cost, write a2. If you want to add next one, then you can write indirect cost. You want, okay, yes, this indirect cost. If you want to add other thing, so based on the resource id, you can also do that. Okay, anything you can write. By this way, I'll just show two account how we can define the cost account. So if you close it, you can create it, and if you go to the status resource, you can define the cost account for them. If you go to the design, it's like, it's not done this one. Okay, to it down, if you want to, this is the architecture, so we can write it is the direct cost. If we see this one also direct cost, we can write, assign it. If you want to assign another one, another also, we can assign direct, indirect cost. So we can assign by this way, direct, indirect cost. If you see next, you can see here direct cost, and if you want to so indirect cost, if you see here direct cost, you can write anything. I'm just showing how we can do it, and we can filter it. If you go to here, you can get a column and see, okay, find cost account. If you see here, we can get here cost account, just create here in the, I want to just give here activities, and we'll, okay, cost, it is created. You can see here direct cost, direct indirect cost, and you can filter it. If you go to here, and we can apply a new filter where you can write cost account, cost account contains uh, direct. Write this one, it will filter the apply. If you do, it will only show who is ever have the direct cost and indirect cost. Okay, if you want to more, like, you can do slot filter and sort also. So I'll just click here. If you go to this one, filter and sort, then I just want to make it cost account, then you can do it. You can okay and apply, you can see it. And if you want to slightly problem, so here, so grand total, name, description, total return is cross group, cost account, okay, you say okay, total, it will show in this one. And if you want to show filter, if you want to, I'll remove this filter, all activities, then it will show other. Just want to remove all filter. Done. Cost account I will remove, we don't need this one. Only cost account is 5, we don't need summarize. We also don't need grand total, cost account only. Label go, we don't need. If we click OK, and no cost account is also, because I want to remove the filter. And so if we click here, if we assign it in direct, then it will go to direct. By this way, cost account is can be used to filter your um, filter, to filter it, also to sort it. So you can find out the direct labor cost, indirect cost, you can find out by this way. So uh, by this way we update our cost. If you have any problem, let me know. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.